Oh, look at Dragon War. Gosh.
Fish your burp. The other end of it pretty good.
This is why I shouldn't drink soda.
Take a sip of hers.
And yeah, a couple days ago you drank a whole 2 liter. Don't drink that.
Do
No,
it.
You can have it now.
Wait. You just called it soda.
It's pop.
Soda
Yeah,
pop,
she
same
came
thing.
from Kentucky.
Oh,
Alright.
hold up. Hold
Yeah,
up. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. Ready?
This is like the 20th time. Are you recording?
Next thing you know, she eats her cake, burps. Just like.
It's not like the dragon just finished eating its meal. Did it have birthdays or something?
This is making my... You alright? I fell. The floor.
She was laughing.
She was burping.
She was laughing.
All right, he does.
I've never used your bathroom once in my house too.
You done?
Nope. It's fine. Take it, please.
Oh, I think she's done after this round.
No, she's not. You have about 20 more rounds coming up.
Do you let her finish your cup?
No.
Don't. That will literally make me puke.
No.
Oh wow. That didn't sound like a burp whatsoever.
It sounded like a triangle.
Stop. Oh, hold up.
Are you dragging?
Yes. She reminds me.
Dragon replies.
Are you done?
This has been going on. Dude, I've been recording this for 3 minutes.
I feel like I'm dying. This is what happens when you die.
No.
They wouldn't know.
What?